Hello, future crypto millionaires. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to do some quick technical analysis on Cosmos. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to give you my price prediction for 2025. But before we begin, make sure that you join my Telegram group. There is a link in the description below. This is where I post all the trading setups and ideas that I am looking at every single day before I talk about them on YouTube. AI tokens, meme coins, gaming projects, RWAs, dipping, all that good stuff can be found on my Telegram group. It's free for now, but it's not going to be free forever, guys, so make sure that you join as soon as possible. Also, please do me a solid and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click the like button and let's get straight into it. As you see here on CoinMarketCap, Cosmos is currently ranked number 45. The price is at $6.25, 0.42% down for the day. The market cap is sitting at 2.44 billion, which is kind of high compared to other projects that we've been looking at in this channel. But I really like the chart. It's currently at range lows. If we take a look at the all-time chart here on CoinMarketCap, we see that the token was created back in 2019. So it has experienced another bull run before. In 2021, it skyrocketed all the way up to over $42, $43. Then the price action pulled back, and we entered this accumulation phase that we are currently in. So we are at range lows, guys. This is what we do in this channel. We buy range lows, we sell range highs. Before we look at the chart on TradingView, let's take a look at what is Cosmos. In a nutshell, Cosmos builds itself as a project that solves some of the hardest problems facing the blockchain industry. It aims to offer an antidote to slow, expensive, unscalable, and environmentally harmful proof-of-work protocols like those used by Bitcoin, by offering an ecosystem of connected blockchains. This is their X account. You can find it at Cosmos. Look what it says here. Cosmos, the interchain, the open, scalable, and interconnected economy of the future, the interchain. They have been pretty active, posting every single day. But the most important thing that I wanted to bring to your attention is this number right here. They have over 500,000 followers, guys, which is a huge community behind them. This is their website. You can find it at cosmos.network. Build on the interchain, reduce costs, scale effortlessly, and make your business come alive. Hundreds of companies use Cosmos SDK to build fast, secure blockchain applications. And you can click on this button here to start building or talk to an expert. They have a few big names here on their website. Sentinel, Persistence, Celestia, DYDX, Noble, Stride, Injective, Stargate, Cash Network, which is an AI token. You can go through this on your own time. I'm not going to waste time here. So let's go on TradingView. This is the chart. We are looking at Cosmos USDT daily chart on Binance. If we zoom out again, we see that the token was created in 2019. It had a nice run all the way up to $44.66 according to Binance. And then we saw this double top pattern, which is a bearish pattern, and people took profits. And the price action started pulling back, entering the markdown phase. We broke below this 200 simple moving average. And we are currently in accumulation phase, range lows. Look at this. But what's really interesting is that a golden cross is coming on the daily chart. You see this red line here? This is the 50 moving average, the 50-day moving average. And this yellow line is the 200 moving average. The 50-day represents a short-term trend, and the 200-day represents the long-term trend. When the short-term trend, the 50 MA, moves above the longer-term trend, the 200-day MA, it indicates a potential shift in market sentiment from bearish to bullish. And this is called a golden cross. So a golden cross is incoming. We are about to see that when the red line crosses above this yellow line, and that's really bullish. As you see, the price pumped a little bit recently. So we broke above this 200 simple moving average, which is amazing, very bullish. What we want to see in the coming days, weeks, months is this 200 moving average to start trending upwards, and then the price to start bouncing on it during the bull run. This is going to be the markup phase. Now, as you see here, the price action has broken above this Fibonacci level that's located at $6.25. So if we zoom in, we see that we had a breakout above and we are currently right below it. So it's very possible that we see a bounce here, which is going to be a bounce on this Fibonacci level that's located at $6.25. And at the same time, it's going to be a bounce above this 200 simple moving average. But we are not here to predict the future, guys. We don't have a crystal ball. So we always expect pullbacks. This is not a buy all in with one click now setup. This is why it's smart to scale in into trades like this one. What I would do is buy a little bit here, buy more if we see a pullback, something like this. As you see here on the chart, Cosmos has been putting higher lows. You see this? So we might see another higher low idea somewhere around here. That's going to be pretty bullish. So I have a few targets here, the rest of the Fibonacci levels. We saw the first one is located at $6.25. We broke above it and we are currently retesting this. So if we see a nice bounce here, the measured move to the next Fibonacci level that's located at $8.70 is a 39% move, which is a nice move out of Cosmos, guys. As I showed you earlier, Cosmos has a market cap of $2.44 billion already. So it needs some kind of liquidity to flow into this token in order to make moves. It's not easy to move, but it's currently at the range lows, and I think it's going to happen soon. We are still early. Even if we see a bigger pullback all the way down here, that's going to be a very nice buying opportunity in my eyes. The next Fibonacci level is located at $10.53, and the measured move from the current price level to the second Fibonacci level at $10.53, that's a 70% move. The third Fibonacci level is located at $12, and the measured move is a 94% move. Almost a 100% move, guys. We can double our money, especially if we see a pullback forming a higher low. That's going to be over a 100% move. This is why buying the pullback is smart. You see, you already made a 20% more if this move happens in the coming weeks or months. The next target that I have here on the chart is located at $14.33. And from the current price levels to this target, that's going to be a 120% move, 128% move. Also, again, if we see a pullback, let's say down here, the measured move is going to be over a 150% move. Huge gains, significant gains. But if we zoom out, I think that Cosmos, the ticker is Atom, can surpass that recent high that we saw here on March of 2024 and start running towards this all-time high that's located at $44.66. From the current price levels all the way up to that previous all-time high that we saw in 2021, that's a 630% move, over a 6x move. If Cosmos manages to pull a move all the way up to that previous all-time high, it's going to have a price of $44.58, but also it's going to have a market cap of $17.20 billion. For those of you who are more bullish, I have another target here on the chart, which is located at $62.70. And this is going to be my price prediction for Cosmos for 2025. If Cosmos manages to pull a move all the way up here to that $62 price level, from the current prices, that's going to be approximately a 10x move. And Cosmos is going to have a market cap of $24.5 billion then. However, be careful with these price predictions because, as you might already know, 95% of the tokens that put an all-time high in a previous bull run don't reach that price level during their second bull run. I'm not saying that this is not, or this is going to happen with Cosmos. I really believe that this bull run is going to be one of the greatest ever. So I really think that Cosmos, just like many other tokens, can surpass that previous all-time high. So let me know in the comments below, guys. What do you think? Do you think that Cosmos can surpass that previous all-time high at $44.66? What is your price prediction for Cosmos? Do you think that a 10x move all the way up to $62 is too much? Nevertheless, we are currently at range lows. So I think this is a very nice buying opportunity. Even if the price action doesn't come all the way up close to that previous all-time high, it can easily pull like a 5x move at least, somewhere around here, I think. For those of you who are bearish on this, I think the chart looks amazing. I'm really bullish. I think Atom can pull at least a 5x move. But a 10x move doesn't look impossible at all to me. A $24.5 billion market cap doesn't even sound high to me. That's all I have for you today, guys. Please let me know in the comments below, what is your price prediction for Atom, for Cosmos? I really want to know what you think. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Trade carefully.